In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an item to your cart on Alibaba 2025, step by step. First, head to Alibaba.com and sign in to your account. Being logged in matters because it saves your cart across devices and lets you come back to it later without losing your selections. On the home page, use the search bar to find the product you want. Type clear, specific keywords like cotton tote bags 1200Z or USB-C fast charger to narrow results. If you see a promising match, click the product to open its full product details page. This page is where you'll make all the important selections before adding anything to your cart. Take a moment to review what's on the page. You'll usually see variant options such as color, size, or model. Click the exact variant you want so the system can confirm it's available. Next, set your quantity. Pay attention to the MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. This is the smallest number of units the supplier is willing to sell in a single order. If the MOQ is 50, for example, entering a quantity of 20 won't work, so adjust your quantity to meet or exceed that number. If you notice tiered pricing, that simply means the price per unit may drop when you order more, but for now, just make sure your quantity meets the MOQ. Once you've chosen your variant and quantity, click the Add to Cart button. It might appear as a shopping cart icon or a labeled button depending on the listing. If the button is grayed out, double check that every required option is selected. A quick reselect of color or size usually fixes it. After you click Add to Cart, a confirmation pop-up will appear letting you know the item was successfully added. From here, you can decide what to do next. Choose Continue Shopping if you want to add more items or compare similar products before checking out. Select View Your Cart to review everything you've added, confirm the variants and quantities, and make any last-minute edits. Or, if you're ready to move forward with that item, pick Proceed to Checkout to begin the purchase process. If the pop-up doesn't appear, refresh the page and try again, ensuring all variant and quantity fields are set. Also note that some listings focus on requesting a quote rather than direct cart purchases. In those cases, the Add to Cart option may not be available. That's it. Log in, search, open the details page, select your variant and quantity, click Add to Cart, and then choose your next step. You're all set to shop efficiently on Alibaba.